lantern craft. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own lantern craft. We are going to use some discourse markers such as first, then, next, after that, and finally. Let's do it. First, gather your materials such as scissors, glue, cardboard, and tissue paper at the kitchen table. Then, glue 4 craft sticks together to make the sides of the lantern. Next, cut 4 square pieces of tracing paper. After that, glue the sides together using a hot glue gun. Finally, place a LED tea light candle inside and hang it on from a stick.